Мышка где?
Now, the charitable Nobel Committee,
for example, in the sun, in stars, or in nuclear power plants. They interact very little with the environment. For example, they can go through Earth without being stopped. There are three kinds of neutrinos: electron neutrinos, muon neutrinos, and tau neutrinos. This prize is awarded to the experimental discovery that neutrinos can. For example, a muon neutrino can become a tau neutrino and vice versa. Japan, and the other at Sudbury Neutrino Observatory in Canada. The discovery implies that neutrinos, which were believed to be massless, do have a mass, even if very little. And since there are so many of them, it changes our view of the universe.
thank you. Now, Professor Olga will give us some insights into the science behind the prize. Olga, please.
Neutrinos are possible, and this year's Nobel Prize in Physics honors a fundamental step towards us, or in our nuclear reactors. Every second, billions of neutrinos pass through our bodies, unfelt and unseen. Neutrinos are nature's most elusive particles. They hardly ever interact. But sometimes the neutrino will strike an atom, and when it does, charge particles are produced, and those we can detect. And this is how we flames.
Сначала мне долго рассказывали про замечательные прикладные вещи, делали предсказания просто про прикладные вещи. Физика твердого тела, она стоит на стыке прикладных.
Какие комитеты? Если сейчас вы обманете или сделаете не так, как должно быть, вас не будет. Сейчас я включу. Сейчас все увидите. Сейчас попробую.
But we also have muon neutrinos and tau neutrinos, which upon interaction produce muons and tauons. And muons and tauons are relatives of the electron. They have properties just like the electrons, they're just heavier. And apart from that, this is about all we used to think that neutrinos are mass from the atmosphere, the atmospheric neutrinos. The discovery of neutrino isolation upset our notions. This discovery comes in two parts. The first part has to do with the neutrinos of the atmosphere, the atmospheric neutrinos, and the kilometers north. And then more so the farther they travel. And the neutrino observatory detector was used by a group of scientists headed by Arthur McDonald in a study of solar neutrinos. The photograph shows the Sudbury is just like regular gold, except that in each H2O molecule, the hydrogen atom is exchanged. So knowing that, we expect that the count of both open a new, exciting, challenging.
Very important, but very questions with very few. And so the be able to make such a measurement as well as other direct measurements. The fortunate thing is that there's lowest radioactive, occurring radioactivity. We are able to make very significant measurements of quantities like neutrino beta decay. Other experiments are looking at whether there are other neutrino free that have been clearly observed and are the first step behind that. And there are a whole program of neutrino measurement internationally in order to determine their properties and within the fundamental laws.
John Rose from Forschung auf France. Congratulations on the prize.
Respect, and yes, we have had many communications over the years and have a very point that has been the person first there we were indicated a very positive relationship with group.
To ask you some personal questions. What does this wonder mean to you, and how will you spend your reward money?
Oh, yeah, I really, I'm not thinking about that. Undertaken and accomplished starting back in our founding spokesman, First Chen, passed away a few years ago, nationally recognized for tremendous.
And